Ever feel like your money disappears faster than you can earn it? Or do you struggle with where to even start when it comes to organizing your finances? Trust me, you're not alone. Today, I'll guide you step by step through how to choose a budgeting method as a beginner. Whether you're looking to get out of debt, save for something special, or just feel more in control, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which budgeting method is best for you. Budgeting isn't just a skill, it's a powerful tool that can transform your financial life. But with so many options, how do you know which method is right for you? In this video, I'm going to break down the top budgeting methods, explain who they work best for, and help you choose the one that fits your lifestyle and goals. And remember, choosing a budgeting method as a beginner doesn't have to be complicated or intimidating. Let's dive in. First, why is budgeting so crucial? Many successful entrepreneurs and financial moguls swear by budgeting. Warren Buffett himself is known for his meticulous attention to his financial strategies, emphasizing that controlling spending is as powerful as increasing income. When you choose a budgeting method as a beginner, you're setting the stage for lifelong financial success. This isn't just about being frugal, it's about being intentional. Without a plan, even the highest incomes can slip through your fingers. Let's start with one of the most detailed and effective budgeting methods, the zero-based budget. This method involves allocating every single dollar of your income to a specific purpose, expenses, savings, investments, until your budget hits zero. Every dollar works for you, no exceptions. It's perfect for those who want to be hands-on and detailed with their finances. If you're someone who wants to know where every cent goes, then choosing a budgeting method like this might just be your key to financial peace. Just a quick break from today's episode. I want to take a moment to say thank you for watching my videos. If you're finding this content valuable, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support is what helps keep this channel going and allows me to continue bringing you helpful content. It really makes a difference in helping me reach more people and keeping you updated with more tips and insights. Thanks again for watching, and now, let's get back to it. Next, we have the 50/30/20 rule, a method that simplifies budgeting into three main categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. This method is straightforward and works well if you prefer a less restrictive approach. When choosing a budgeting method as a beginner, simplicity can often be more sustainable. Think about it. Half of your income goes to essentials like rent and food, 30% lets you enjoy life a little, and 20% builds your future. It's balanced and easy to remember. For those who need a tactile approach, the envelope system might be the perfect fit. You take out cash for specific categories and literally put it into labeled envelopes. When the envelope is empty, you stop spending in that category. This method forces discipline and can be highly effective for controlling discretionary spending. Popularized by financial educators like Dave Ramsey, it's one of the oldest yet most effective ways to get control over spending. So, how do you choose the best method for you? It depends on your personality, goals, and level of discipline. If you thrive on detail, go for zero-based budgeting. If you want an easy, balanced approach, try the 50/30/20 rule. And if you need the discipline of cash, the envelope system might be your best friend. The key is not to feel overwhelmed but empowered. Test each method for a month, track how you feel, and adjust. Remember, the best budgeting method is the one you'll actually stick to. Now that you know the main budgeting methods and how to choose one as a beginner, it's time to take action. I want you to pick one method, try it for 30 days, and come back to share your experience in the comments. If you found this guide valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more personal finance tips that will set you up for success. Remember, taking control of your finances starts with choosing a budgeting method that suits you. You've got this, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has provided valuable insights to help you take control of your finances. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to check out my playlist on budgeting and saving for more in-depth tips and strategies. And don't miss my latest video for even more practical insights that can help you on your financial journey. Just click on the cards on your screen to continue learning. Your support means the world to me, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. See you in the next one.